As the body of baby Ethan rests at his grave in Sakini village in Makueni County, the search to justice continue, with today a Machakos County listening at the proceedings of the late baby Ethan Jr. Muendo, a matter that back in 2019 left Machakos Shalom Hospital shut down after the child was injected with a morphine, leading to his death.
We had the IO with the investigating officer testify. And also we had a doctor, Dr. Chris, who is a doctor in charge Shalom Hospital. So what happened today is that the doctor gave his part of the story as a prosecution witness. He was overall superintendent, so he had to give an account for the employees who are facing the charges of manslaughter, and also another account of negligence, that is criminal negligence. And
appearing before Principal Magistrate Mary Anja Otindo, the witness and who is the investigating officer in the case, Sergeant Peter Wafula, said that all the report he had was that the child was killed due to morphine overdose, a result of medical negligence.
We had to summon the three who are directly involved in attending to the said child, and the hospital management for further investigation, Your Honor, and reckless acts that were committed while handling that particular child at the said hospital.
The case, which kicked off in 2019, today saw two witnesses testify on account for the employees facing manslaughter and criminal negligence. Principal Magistrate Otindo, on hearing the witnesses, she gave a final adjournment where the remaining witnesses, among them government chemist, analyst, and other pathologists, who will be heard on 24th April 2023. May 22, 2019, analysis on the brain of 7-month-old baby Ethan Muendo showed that the infant suffered some bleeding at the surface of the brain prior to his death.
what is remaining now is the document examiner and also the pathologist. The pathologist is yet to give his testimony.
According to the complainant's counsel, the case has so far been well heard, and it's their prayer that the prosecution does their best to see the remaining witnesses appear before the Honorable Court so as to close the case and see justice prevail.
There was a serious?
Yes.
There was a serious, reckless and negligence act.
That is saying those negligent, reckless is of it to my buyer. Take me there. Take me to a report agency.
From my investigations and the investigation of the investigative team, yes. The conduct and the manner they handled that patient, yes, was just a serious negligence.
Yes.
And the reckless act.
That's correct.
That caused the death of the child.
All right.
We have moved really fast up to now because having to procure some witnesses, we've had a bit of challenges here and there. There are others appearing in other cases, but the prosecution has tried to bring all the witnesses on board, and they actually do have a very last adjournment. So on that day, on the 24th of April, we hope to finalize the prosecution case.
According to Defense Counsel Makao Mutua, the case needs to be hurriedly listened. The three accused: a patient attendant who administered the drug, a clinical officer who prescribed, and the pharmacist who discharged the morphine, are out on court bails. For Ebru TV, Amode Francis.